3, 2, 1.
Today it is an honor to officially kick off the 200th anniversary of the Rochester Police Department by dedicating this statue as a symbol of our gratitude to the officers who go out every day to keep our city safe.
In order for the city to be able to grow, you need to make sure that your residents feel safe. And for 200 years, the Rochester Police Department has been able to provide that safety and that security to our residents. And that's why we have the great city that we do.
We're very excited about the 200th anniversary. It's a time for reflection and the service that's been given by a lot of officers and civilian employees of the police department over 200 years.
The nearly 400-pound eagle is one of 5 century-old sculptures that used to adorn several Rochester precincts. This one presided over the doorway at the old precinct on Bronson Avenue, now Samuel McCree Way.
It kind of represented the everlasting watch, vigilance during the night, and the eagle was guarding and protecting the citizens, and that tradition is carried on from about 1904 till today.
For the past 40 years, it rested in the courtyard at City Hall. Now it's been restored and relocated to its new home at the Public Safety Building.
Oh, it's wonderful. And I'm so glad that it's in and out of the weather now and that help preserve it and for all the officers to come in and see it and the public when they come in. It's really a really nice piece of artwork besides being a symbol of the police department.
During the ceremony, a poster of the 15 fallen police officers was on display, created by self-taught artist Carol Culhane, whose father also served many years in the Rochester Police Department. Today, she was honored with his police badge.
Oh, I'm tickled. My father's been gone almost 30 years now, and so I know that he was very proud to be a police officer.
A host of events and activities will commence throughout the year until the RPD marks its 200th anniversary on December 28, 2019. All proceeds go to the Special Olympics.
And hopefully that people can learn something about the police department, and hopefully they'll celebrate with us.